It is by appearing weak that you become dangerous. In physiology, true power isn't loud, it's efficient. While others chase dominance, you conserve energy, recover, and adapt. You build strength beneath the surface. To seem weak invites complacency, and complacency blinds. While they overlook you, you refine sharper reactions, better control, precise movement, no wasted energy, no unnecessary effort. Then, when you act, it's not chaotic, it's calculated. Every movement intentional, every action effective. Let them mistake calm for weakness, because the body that is controlled will always outperform the one that is tense. And when the moment comes, you don't just move, you execute.